Hey, this is Andrew with Chemical Concepts. I wanted to shoot this video because I'm going to use one of our products around the house, and maybe you guys can relate. Maybe you guys have the same problem. So a lot of our products are for industrial use or manufacturing. This is a great product here. I'm going to show you an application for GS Rivet Tape from Mactac. I got this rug here, and I can't seem to get the curl out of this rug. It drives me crazy. So I wanted to bring home a roll of this Mactac Rivet Tape and finally take care of this. It's been bugging me. So what the Mactac Rivet Tape, this is a double-sided transfer tape, and it's very sticky. It sticks to almost everything, and it's removable, so it's not permanent. Yeah, and I got this from Chemical Concepts. And so this is something to keep in your house. You'll use it all the time. And I got my helpers here. Can you guys say hi?
Hi!
Yeah, all right, they're gonna help me with this job because I can't do it all by myself. So here's how we're gonna do this job. I'm gonna open my handy roll here. And here I'm gonna need the assistance of my cameraman. So this product is a transfer tape. It's an extruded hot melt based adhesive.
That's your job, right?
And look, oh my God, oh goodness gracious, look how sticky that is. Okay, so, yeah. Oh, be careful, you'll be stuck to that forever. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut roughly a 2-inch section, and there's a nice trick for cutting this product. It's so gooey that it's hard to cut with scissors. So the technique for cutting it is like this, that you put the bottom of the scissors on the liner touching the scissors, and then just with one quick motion, you snap it like that. All right, so I'm gonna take a corner of this rug. I'm gonna apply my GS tape. And if you use a little squeegee, I should have brought home one of the Mactac squeegees, but I'm just gonna use my hands here and get that adhesive all on there. And then just to make sure this really doesn't go anywhere, I'm gonna cut a second piece using that technique. And then I'm gonna make a little L in the corner so that this...
Did you say we'd do a foot?
All right, so now I got this nice corner, and this ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna smooth that all down, and then my other helper, so let me just start this corner, and we're gonna peel that release liner off. Oh, wonderful job, Clark. Can you peel the other corner? Wow, good peeling. You got a future in tape, boy. All right, now I'm gonna smooth it down. Look at that.
Daddy,
Perfection.
This part's going up.
Yeah. See, depending on how anal retentive I want to be, we might end up GS taping this entire rug. But that's the results that we want to see. Looks like it's ready for house and home. Martha Stewart would be proud. And we are ready to go. All right, so now I like to end my videos with a nice thumbs up, showing a good job done. Can you give me a thumbs up? Beautiful.